Hi everyone, welcome back to our class. In this, we are going to see the problems from the exercise 8.4. First one, express the trigonometric ratios sin A, sec A and tan A in terms of cot A, which means here we need to define the sin A, sec A and tan A in terms of cot A. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Now dividing both sides by sin square A, we get sin square A by sin square A plus cos square A by sin square A equals to 1 by sin square A. That is 1 plus cos by sin is cot plus 1 plus cot square A equals to 1 by sin square A. Now taking sin square A on LHS side, we get sin square A equals to 1 by 1 plus cot square A. That is sin A equals to 1 by under root 1 plus cot square A. And the next one is, we know that sec square A minus tan square A is equals to 1. From here sec square A equals to 1 plus tan square A, that is sec square A equals to 1 plus 1 by cot square A, since tan theta equals to 1 by cot theta, right? Now here cot square A is the LCM. Now cot square A into 1 is cot square A plus 1 by cot square A, that is sec A equals to under root cot square A plus 1 by cot square A. Therefore sec A equals to under root 1 plus cot square A by cot A. And the next one, we need to define tan A in terms of cot A, right? We know that tan theta is inversely proportional to cot A, therefore tan A equals to 1 by cot A. Second one is, write all the other trigonometric ratios of angle A in terms of sec A, which means here we need to define all the trigonometric ratios, that is sin theta, cos theta, cosec theta, tan theta and cot theta in terms of sec theta, right? We know that sin square A plus cos square A is equals to 1. From here sin square A equals to 1 minus cos square A and cos theta is equals to 1 by sec theta. Therefore sin square A equals to 1 minus 1 by sec square A. On solving this, we get sec square A minus 1 by sec square A. Therefore sin A equals to under root sec square A minus 1 by sec A. Here we can see that sin A is equals to under root sec square A minus 1 by sec A, which means here we have defined sin A in terms of sec A, right? And the next one, we know that cosec theta is equals to 1 by sin theta, and we got sin A as under root sec square A minus 1 by sec A. Substituting this value here, we get cosec A equals to sec A by under root sec square A minus 1. And the next one, we know that sec square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. From here tan square A equals to sec square A minus 1, that is tan A equals to under root sec square A minus 1, which is, here we can see that tan A is expressed in terms of sec A. And the next one, we know that cot theta is equals to 1 by tan theta, right? And we got tan A equals to under root sec square A minus 1. Now substituting this value here, we get 1 by under root sec square A minus 1. Therefore cot A is equals to 1 by under root sec square A minus 1, right? And next cos A is equals to 1 by sec A. We know that, and here we have expressed to cos A in terms of sec A. So here in this you can see that sin A is expressed in terms of sec A, cosec A is expressed in terms of sec A, and tan A is expressed in terms of sec A, and cot A is also expressed in terms of sec A, and cos A is expressed in terms of sec A. Therefore we have expressed all the trigonometric ratios in terms of sec A, right? Third one, evaluate. First one, sin square 63 degrees plus sin square 27 degrees by cos square 17 degrees plus cos square 73 degrees. That is sin square 63 plus, here sin 27 is expressed as sin of 90 minus 63 degrees by cos square 17 degrees plus cos 73 is expressed as cos of 90 minus 17 degrees. That is equals to sin square 63 degrees plus, we know that sin of 90 minus theta is cos theta, that is cos square 63 degrees by cos square 17 degrees plus, and cos of 90 minus theta is sin theta, that is sin square 17 degrees. And you can see here in the numerator sin square 63 degrees plus cos square 63 degrees in the form of sin square theta plus cos square theta, which is equals to 1. Therefore that is equals to 1 by 1, that is 1. And the next one is sin 25 degrees into cos 65 degrees plus cos 25 degrees into sin 65 degrees, that is sin 25 degrees, here cos 65 is written as cos of 90 minus 25 degrees plus cos 25 degrees, sin 65 is written as sin of 90 minus 25 degrees, that is equals to sin 25 degrees cos of 90 minus theta is sin theta, that is sin 25 degrees plus cos 25 degrees Sine of 90 minus theta is cos theta, that is cos 25 degrees. Sine 25 degrees into sine 25 degrees is equals to sine square 25 degrees plus cos 25 degrees is into cos 25 degrees is cos square 25 degrees. It is in the form of sine square theta plus cos square theta, which is 1. Fourth one, choose the correct option and justify your answer. First one, 9 into sec square a minus 9 into tan square a. Here 9 is common in both, therefore taking 9 as common we get 9 of sec square a minus tan square a, that is 9 into 1, because we know that sec square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. Therefore substituting 1 here we get 9 into 1, which is 9. And the next one is 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta, right? That is tan theta is sin by cos, sec theta is 1 by cos, and cot theta is cos theta by sin theta, cosec theta is 1 by sin theta. Here cos theta is the LCM, that is cos theta into 1 is cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 by cos theta into, here sin theta is the LCM, that is sin theta into 1 in sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 by sin theta. Here you can see that it is in the numerator, it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, that is we know that a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square, right? Therefore cos theta plus sin theta whole square minus 1 by in denominator sin theta into cos theta, and it is in the form of a plus b whole square. We know that a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab, right? Therefore cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta into cos theta minus 1 by sin theta cos theta. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1, that is 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 by sin theta into cos theta. Here 1 minus 1 get cancelled, that is equals to 2 sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta. Here sin theta cos theta get cancelled, that is equals to 2. Third one is sec a plus tan a into 1 minus sin a, right? Here sec a is written in terms of 1 by cos a plus tan a is sin a by cos a into 1 minus sin a. Here we can see that in denominator cos a is common, therefore it can be written as 1 plus sin a by cos a into 1 minus sin a, and you can see that 1 plus sin a into 1 minus sin a is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, which is equals to a square minus b square. Therefore 1 minus sin square a by cos a, and we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. From here we get cos square theta is equals to 1 minus sin square theta, and you can see that here 1 minus sin square a is in the form of 1 minus sin square theta. Therefore substituting 1 minus sin square a is equals to cos square a, that is cos square a by cos a. Here cos a get cancelled, and here in numerator there will be 1 cos a, that is equals to cos a, right? Fourth one is 1 plus tan square a by 1 plus cot square a. We know that tan theta is equals to 1 by cot theta. Therefore substituting 1 by cot theta in place of tan theta, we get 1 plus tan square a by 1 plus 1 by tan square a, that is 1 plus tan square a by, here tan square a into 1 tan square a plus 1 by tan square a. Now this tan square a will go into the numerator, that is tan square a into 1 plus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. Here 1 plus tan square a ones are get cancelled, therefore it is equals to tan square a, and the option is D. Thank you.